Okay, this is a gate that's been done by us. It's a beautiful gate. It has a heavy-duty motor in the back of it, and even though there is a heavy-duty motor in the back, there is an option that we gave the client to add a magnetic lock. You don't have to have it, especially if the gate is not made completely for security. Sometimes it's just for privacy or dogs or kids, and so there is no need. But if you want to make sure that your gate is giving you 100% security, then adding a magnetic lock always gonna help eliminate this kind of movement. So that's a little lesson about the magnetic lock and why do you see them on many gates. But again, if security is not the issue, which a lot of times it's not, then you don't really need it and you can get away without it. Avi Ben David, Mulholland Security. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.